Guys, do you know that you can start making money online with just your phone and your internet? You don't need any investment. You don't need any laptop for you to start. You don't even need any experience for you to start. And the best part of it is that you can start this thing I'm about to show you now immediately after this video. So today I'm going to be showing you 3 powerful apps that have been helping thousands of people to make consistent money online. So sit back, let's enjoy this video. Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. In this channel we talk about YouTube growth, YouTube monetization and way forward to make money online. So if that sounds like what you are interested in, do sit back and enjoy this video. And if today is the first day you're coming across this channel, please click on that subscribe button and bell notification so that you won't miss out whenever we upload any new video. So the number 1 app now is called Swagbucks. Swagbucks is a trusted app that enables you to that pays you for simple tasks every day online, like watching videos, answering surveys, playing games and even shopping online, right? Then the points you make, they are called SB, which can be redeemed with your PayPal account or gift card for Amazon, for Walmart and other shops like that. And the good part of it is that you can withdraw your money immediately after playing that game, because the threshold for withdrawal is $1 every day, right? So this app is available on Android, iOS and even desktop. For example, you watch few minutes advert during your break time, then you watch like you did like 5 minutes survey, then did some shoppings. At the end of the day, you will be making between $5 to $10 passively. So if you like making money online or you like getting paid while doing what you already love doing online, especially when you like sharing your own ideas, this particular app is going to blow your mind. So the app I'm talking about is called Soluna Influencer. So this particular app will enable you or will connect you to global brands that need your opinion or views. So all you need to do is to take your own survey, share your ideas or your views, then you get paid, right? And the good part of it is that it is available worldwide. So you can't tell me that because you're in Africa you cannot do. You can do it wherever you are, whether you're in Africa or America or Europe, anywhere around the world. The sweetest part of it is that you can earn between $2 to $5 per survey, and a survey can take you between 5 to 10 minutes every day. So let's say you did like 4 or 3 surveys in a day. Calculate the amount, right? You'll be going home between $15 to $20 every day. But bear in mind that Soluna Influencer favors people that are active. If you're not active, they will not suggest surveys that pays well for you. That's my own experience. When I was not active, they used to, but when I started being active, come and see survey. And some of them you will even see the one that is more than $5 per survey. So it depends. You have to be active, right? Since you're making money on it, why slack? So you need to be active. So let's move to something more serious now. This next app is perfect if you want to earn real freelance level income with just your phone, right? And the app is called Remotax. Remotax is an app where you get paid to help train artificial intelligence. That means doing things like labeling images, transcribing audios or categorizing data. It may sound boring for you, but it actually pays well, or it pays more than the 2 apps that I mentioned before, right? And good part of it is that they will train you before you even start. So this particular app is great or perfect for beginners in freelancing. If you're planning to start freelancing or you just started but you're getting confused, you can consider this particular app. It will help because they will train you. And when you start making your money, you can cash out through your PayPal or gift card too. So if you dedicate just between 1 to 2 hours every day for tasks, you will earn between $7 to $20, right? So some advanced tasks even pay up to $50. So I will advise you to be serious with your free training sections, because the higher your accuracy is, the more money or the more advanced tasks you unlock. Thereby it will make you to earn more, right? So between these 3 apps that I mentioned now, the Swagbucks, that will enable you to earn money by watching videos of then the Soluna influencers that will enable you to take surveys for brands and make your own views or opinion. Then the Remo tax that will help you to train people for artificial intelligence after being trained, because the good part of it is that you are being trained too. So among these three apps that I mentioned, which one are you going for? I just want to know in the comment section. Just like I said, this Remo tax, don't dull on it, because you earn a lot of money using that one, right? So just tell me in the comment section which of them you're going for. I just want to know, right? So that if I have any guidance I can give you, I can drop it in the comment section, and I will be going around to see what others are dropping. So see you guys in my next one. If you find this video interesting, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share, and see you guys in my next one. Calista signing out. Bye.